If you're searching for the easiest and safest ways to get free coins in Honeytoon, then you just landed on the right video. Because today, I'm breaking down the newest working methods that real users are using right now to earn coins without spending a single dollar. And yes, these are official, safe, and completely legit, so stick with me till the end. Because one small step can literally double your coin rewards. Let's begin. Honeytoon coins are the main currency that help you unlock characters, upgrades, and exclusive in-game rewards. And while most people think you can only get them through purchases, that's not true. There are two official ways to earn free coins, and the second one is something many players never take full advantage of. The first method is simple: become a Honeytoon member. Signing up as a member instantly gives you access to special benefits, including periodic free coin drops. These are automated rewards that Honeytoon sends directly to members. So the moment you join, you're already ahead of non-members. It's quick to set up, it's free, and it's the most reliable long-term method to build a steady coin balance. Now for the second method, and this one is where a lot of bonus coins come from. Follow Honeytoon on their social platforms. Honeytoon regularly posts exclusive offers, coupons, and limited time free coin codes on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. These don't always stay live for long, so following them on all platforms gives you the best chance to grab every reward before it expires. But here's something most users miss. Just following isn't enough. To unlock the highest number of free coins, you need to actually engage. Watch their stories, like their posts, comment when needed, and redeem every coupon they share. Honeytoon tends to reward the most active users, so the more you interact, the more coins you'll end up collecting. Always log into your Honeytoon account before browsing their website or redeeming any coupon. If you aren't logged in, the coins may not sync properly. And when searching online, make sure you type Honeytoon and click only the official website to avoid scam pages pretending to offer free coins. And that's it. These are the new working methods to claim free Honeytoon coins without spending money. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick guides, and drop a comment if you want a part 2 with advanced coin earning tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your free coins.